Hi guys, Max from Metro. I just want to fill you in with a little bit more detail on this new Modelcollect deal we've got going. This is a range of kits that's been around for a little while. They've been reasonably well received, but Modelcollect wants you to try and even build some of their kits, so they're going to do a good price. So let's have a look at some. So in the range that's available now is a number of kits. There's some stuff that's not quite real. It's like German tanks and 46 and onwards. There's another range called the Fist of War, which is like a game that's around and parts, and they've sort of added parts to it. So these are the 35th scale. So this is this one here is one of the Fist of War type ones. Looks like a cross between a chicken walker from Star Wars and a tank. Quite interesting. These are all the basic tanks. These are the ones that were on the prototype, the different versions of the E100, the E150. And there's that. This is the E60 with the twin barrels. But they're also doing a lot of stuff in 72nd scale as well. So again, they've been doing these little ones, which has got like a flak turret on top or a tank turret on top. And then they've got the Walker wheels. Again, this is from this Fist of War that they've come up with. But a lot of guys I've spoken to are using them for Warhammer as well. They're developing and changing some of the parts into Warhammer type figures. So there's those three, but there's also a standard vehicle from the current system. So you've got that one, mobility off-road truck. They've also got, if you're into 72nd scale rail units, they've also got these two different styles of railway flat cars. So that's good. But they've also done a couple of things in 48 scale as well. So this is the Focke-Wulf 1000 fast bomber. So this is the standard version, and then you've got the one with the extra bomb. So they're both in here as well. So the other thing, guys, is that these are great for kids. These little kits here, great little ones to play around with. Something different, only $15. A great way to just try them out, and if they want to have a bit of fun with them, it's great. And any of the kits would be okay for a junior to start on. So let's have a look at one. This is the fast bomber that I was talking about before. This is 48 scale. The kit is absolutely lovely to build. I've already built, or 2/3 built one of mine. You've got the instructions. Now, nothing has changed in this kit. It's exactly the same as the original kit that was like $90. This is now $28 or $30. Beautiful, beautiful kit, really well done. All nice detail, cockpit, the whole works. This has got the extra bomb, so you can really load it up. This is the Americana bombers that I'm talking about. But this is the actual size. Oh, get it out, there you go. In 48 scale, this is the actual size of the kit. It's just nice, it builds up well, all the detail in there. So if you want to sort of continue that flying wing type weapons and things like that, and all those sort of things. It's a great little kit. But at $28, it's a great way to get into this, or something to practice on, or you want to give something else a go because you're sort of tired of doing a particular genre. Then you can grab one of these, or grab one of the armor kits, or one of the 72nd scale ones. These are just lovely little kits to do. Modelcollect has got this idea that they want you to try their kits and give them a go and just see how good they are. So guys, this is something that's really interesting from Modelcollect. They tell me that they've got a whole new program, plus they're going to redo some of their older kits using their new molding system, which hopefully will bring down prices significantly. But again, they just want you to give it a try. As I said, they're great kits, good for starting out, something to play with, something to get the kids into, or if you just want to do something different. So anyway, have a great day. We'll talk again. Cheers.